Affiliate marketing is a home business that pays. In order to excel at affiliate marketing, you must understand the basics of the concept before you move on to attempting more complex methods. Without first nailing down the fundamentals, your empire will be unstable and could collapse at any moment. Keep in mind these simple ideas and techniques when starting a career and continue to apply them through all of your stages of success. Be wary of affiliate marketers that do not offer real-time customer tracking services. An affiliate that cannot show a webmaster the traffic flowing from his or her site to the affiliate's site is possibly an affiliate looking to cheat the webmaster. Affiliates that rely solely on testimonials on past performance are even worse. How an affiliate used to do business has nothing to do with how they do business now. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, be sure to choose quality products to advertise. Remember, all of the recommendations that you make reflect directly back on you. Therefore, if you advertise an affordable and quality product, your customers or subscribers will trust your advice, thereby boosting your credibility. Keep a direct line open to your customers in affiliate marketing. You do not have to be the wizard behind the curtain here. You can have a blog presence, a Twitter account, a Facebook fan page, or other methods by which customers can contact you about the product and/or service. Be a personable affiliate. If you have purchased an affiliate product to test it out, do not rely on text alone to give it a positive review. Break out the video camera, comb your hair, and give a video review of the product. Half how it works, how it helps you, and how it can help them. Allow people to actually see the product. Stay focused on the content offered on your site. Do not compromise your content to better cater to the affiliate programs you are using, because it will cause you to lose your readers. If you lose the readers, you lose the opportunity to make any money off of the ads that you have on your site. Problems usually occur when the affiliate marketer decides that he or she no longer needs to remember these simple rules and begins making things more complicated than they really need to be. While that may temporarily increase profits, it can result in a single disaster that causes your entire business to burn. Pay close attention, and when branching out, always do the research and testing beforehand. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.